I the burn, long to be a river, I the river now, long to be the sea. When I become the sea, I'll cry for the clear gold stream as I drown in the dark blue deep. So I'll rise up and I'll fall back down to land. I the burn, the small and scenic vein of the river, with the duty to deliver down through the river to the sea, to become a thing less free. I should turn, but I don't want to be the sea. I'm scared for I'll sink too deep, and I can rise up and fall back down to land. And I bore through the jungles and vain, for in the end, where water we'd all rain. And now I stay for the souls who depend in the form of a man until his end. So I stay, and so I stay. So I stay, and so